Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Learning with Education and Learning. So today we're going to be learning about dissolving. So this is it's my topic, dissolving. Learning outcomes. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to explain what is dissolving and what it means in science. Okay, you're going to learn this stuff by the end of the day, and success criteria is you will know what you learned. Say what dissolving means in your own words. You will be able to say what dissolving is in your own words. You will success this stuff. So this is dissolving. This is a paragraph of dissolving. Dissolving is when a solid mixes into a liquid so well that it seems to disappear, but it's still there, just broken into tiny pieces, too small to see. The solid is called the solute and the liquid is called the solvent. When they mix together, they form a solution. So you guys know what they said in this paragraph. So they said that when you're gonna dissolve something, when you're gonna dissolve a solid into a liquid, it's gonna mix, and then that's called a solution. So let's underline the words that were really important. Dissolving, solid, liquid, disappear, solvent, solute, solution. Dissolving means when you mix two things together, that's called dissolving. Solid is the solute. Solid is basically called a solute, and that solid, and then liquid is basically called the solvent. And disappear means that something vanishes. And then solute means, for example, a sugar, or you can say a piece of salt is called a solute. And the liquid is the solvent. So the solvent is the liquid, and the solution is when you mix all these things together. So let's move on to the next slide. So you can take a quick screenshot. Let me just erase this real quick. You can do a quick screenshot. Okay, if you wanted to do it. Okay, let's move to the next slide. Explanation time. What did you learn from there? So you guys have to think in your brain, what did you learn from the previous slide? These are some examples. Okay, I'm gonna explain one example. Okay, so beaker. What is a beaker? Beaker is the thing in which you dissolve solvent and solute. Solvent is basically called a liquid, and solute is basically called the solid. And when you mix these two things together, you form a solution. This is the solution. And when we call solution in easy words dissolve. You can take a quick screenshot if you want to. Next slide. What is dissolving? What dissolves? Testify. This is some questions you guys can do. Like what dissolves? You're gonna test the stuff if they dissolve or no. Hot versus cold water. You're gonna take some sugar in hot water, and you're gonna see if it dissolves. And you're gonna take some sugar in cold water and gonna mix it. If it dissolves, in which it dissolves faster, in hot or cold. So think the answers. You're gonna read these questions, write your answer. What is dissolving? Name two things that dissolve in water. Name two things that don't dissolve in water. You have to think the answer, and you can even write it on a paper. You can take a screenshot, or you can make some notes on your phone or tablet or laptop, and you can maybe write or do what suits your time best. So let's move on to the other slide. Fun facts about dissolving. Lollipop dissolves by you eat them because like the sweet treat, as the sweet treat absorbs your saliva and you like take that sugary treat in your mouth. Hot water helps solid dissolve faster. Cool. Rainwater, did you know this is a really good like fun fact? It's new for me also. I just learned it. So rainwater can dissolve rocks. Did you know? These are the rocks' name. You can take a quick screenshot. Okay, I hope you all learned really good today. And everyone, I appreciate your time. Thanks for watching. And please make sure to like, subscribe, and share on this video. So thank you for watching. Bye.